What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. I thought I'd do something a little different today. So if you follow me on other platforms, you know I'd have this 2002 Yamaha Banshee, and I'm about to replace it with some new plastics. I'm tired of this dingy, ugly. See what I mean? That stuff is faded. Some lotion could never fix, bro. So I'm just gonna give it a quick little facelift right quick and try to shake it back. Of course, I need some new wheels, but for now, I'm just gonna do the plastics, you know, the radiator cover, this right here, and of course this rear fender. I got another seat for it too. I'm gonna slot that on, see what it looks like. And I'm gonna just go from there. Hopefully some other Yamaha Banshee owners will tap in and give me an idea of where to get parts from, because bro, these things are so old, you're kind of limited to where you can get parts from and whatnot. So yeah, but this is my little, you know, mess around toy, not too serious. I'm not gonna be going all out like I would be on the donk or something, but gotta show it some love, because right now it's looking pretty ratchet.
Hey, Echo, turn it up!
Okay then. We in the country.
So what, you finna take this off?
He's insecure. Purchase new tracks today. Purchase new tracks today.
Dang, my baby looking like a shellless dragonfly or something right now. That shit ain't cool. Alright, so we finally got that thing put back together, bro. It took longer than I thought, to be honest. But we had to keep that blue gas tank plastic that goes around there in the grill because it just would not line up for some reason. I don't know if any of you Banshee people have a website that I can buy one of those off of. Let me know, bro. But yeah, we got it done. So change of plans. I put those white plastics on. Don't order nothing for no ATV for that matter off of Amazon, bro. They was not fitting right. So I went with carbon fiber here and black everywhere else. I got some new, what they call them, Nerf bars to go on there on both sides. I got some new black bead locks too. Put it in there.
So how do you see a picture?
Alright, mama wants you.
You're too much, girl.
I love you.
Are you?
You are too much.
Also got some new disc brakes. Got a few extra of everything, I think, but extra pads. I also got new handlebar grips, but they obviously went with the wrong color. I'm kind of mad about that, but I'm gonna run with it for now and just change them later. The handlebars break and new tires for the wheels in and mounted. So I'm gonna do a second video with all that in there, but I do appreciate all my subscribers, everybody that's supporting me, man. It means a lot, the patience. You know, I'm not the best with this camera right now, but you know, we gonna get better, baby. Stay tuned.
You got no beat? Try to beat something.
I do, but I also got the E85. I can't just be burning fuel, you know what I'm saying? I got the E85.